The major goal we have in the Center for Translational Science, right, is to bring incredible investigators together, but also multidisciplinary investigators together so that we can essentially go bench to bedside. I think one of the unique aspects as well that we have in CTS is that we are focusing on discovery and delivery, because we need to make sure that we can actually deliver the drugs to the organs that we need to. One of the things that is clear now with big data and big science is the time of an investigator working in their lab, four walls, not talking to anybody and publishing a great paper every now and again, that's gone. It takes a village now. And so one of the things that we did in the center was first thing we did was we knocked all the walls out. So when we're building programs, there's no walls, so everybody works together. There's no assigned space within a program. It's where the people want to work. And so we have gone in 2 years from about $500,000 a year in extramural funding to over $13 million. So I think that in a nutshell is bringing world-class investigators together that want to collaborate and want to drive drug discovery, delivery, and cure disease.